Here I am with Dr. Jennifer Simonson at the International Congress of Behavioral Optometry, and she has some cool stuff to use with the iPad, and the system is called what?
This is called Opto.
All right.
So Opto is an iPad app that's to build sensory fusion and also motor fusion for stereopsis. So we have things that are dynamic, where you can watch through the viewfinders and see actually movies in 3D as it comes closer and further away. And we also have activities that are for convergence and divergence at different levels. So if we do convergence, we can look at just the card in 3D and see those balls pop out in front of the background. But we like to be a little bit more interactive with the iPad. And so now we actually have to say which is the closest from near to far. So we're looking at accuracy and also how fast, how accurate.
So when you do this, then the patient would look through the lenses? And so one eye sees one image, the other eye sees the other image?
Yes.
And the task is to touch which one is nearest to farthest from it. What other goodies do you have on there?
One thing that's kind of nice is that we have also some activities that are with anaglyphic glasses.
And anaglyph is red and green or cyan glasses.
Yeah. So one that I like to use in clinic a lot is a global target, where we can see the dog actually hit the nose. And so I can tell if they see this nose over here, if they're suppressing the right eye or the left eye, or they see the one that's floating out front.
And I think you told me that if there are red and cyan targets that you can get off the internet, or if you have a 3D camera, you can actually incorporate those into the therapy, correct?
We're working on building that in.
Okay. Something to look forward to in the future.
Yes. We have some things like line drawings, contour, stereo. We have to localize where those images are near and far. We can actually build smooth fusional ranges.
So many of these are currently available, but you're constantly working on new ones.
Yes.
And from what I've seen today, you can do oculomotor hand-eye, convergence activity, anti-suppression activity, and lots of 3D.